Hello friends, welcome once again to ASM Online Maths. In this video, we shall simplify this logarithm problem before us. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by YouLesson app. Catch me on their TikTok page at YouLesson app. Go to Play Store, download and subscribe to their app so that you can enjoy my math videos. So we have the cube root of 39.51 multiplied by 725 all over 0.758, all in a bracket. To do this, you need to formulate your table, number, and logarithm. Then you have to draw a straight line to make up the required table. So this is what you will be having. Then the first number given to us here is 39.51. You write it. Then you look for the characteristics. There is what we call characteristics. Just from where you're having the decimal point, move until you meet the first number. So you see that we made only one movement here, which means the characteristics of this number is 1. You put your point. Then you check for the logarithm of 39 under 5. Since you have 39.51, check logarithm of 39 under 5. So let's go to logarithm table. Logarithm of 39. If you look up here, you see 39 here under 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5966. You write 5966, 5966. Then there is a digit here, which is difference of 1. In the logarithm table, you check for difference of 1. So trace it in the same line. Difference of 1 is the first number you have here. You can see where you have your difference here. So you have difference of 1. So trace it down from that 1 to that particular level. So it's here. Difference of 1 is still 1. So you've got to add 1 to this number. If you add 1, you have 5967. So you write 5967. Then after that, leave it, bring up the next number. The next number we'll have here is 725, this number here. So you write your 725. That's the next number we'll have there. So this number does not have any decimal point at all. It does not have any decimal point. So begin from the back and move 1, 2. So we move 2 places. Hence, the characteristics is 2. You put your point. Then you have to look for the logarithm of 72 under 5. You go to logarithm table of 72 under 5. So let's check 72 under 5. So here is 72 under 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 8603. 8603. No difference at all. 8603. Now, because the two numbers are multiplying each other, you can see here this is multiplication. Because it is multiplication, you add. But when it is division, you have to subtract. Then let us add these two numbers together and see what it will give us. 7 plus 3 is 10. You write 0, carry 1. Add that 1 to 6, it becomes 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. 9 plus 6 is 15. You write 5, carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 6 plus 8 is 14. Write 4 and put point. Carry 1 to 1, it becomes 2. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So we are having 4.4570. You close it. Then you come down. The number we have in the denominator is just 0.758. Now, this time around, this number is a decimal number because, in fact, is a number less than 1 since the whole number is 0. So, in this case, you are moving to the right until you see a number that is not 0. So, we moved only one place here. Because we moved only one place here, instead of calling it 1, since we moved one place, you call it bar 1. It's just like minus 1 to show that the characteristics is a negative value. Then you have to check for logarithm of 75 under 8. Log 75 under 8. So let's check the logarithm of 75. As you can see, 8 here. You trace down and the 75. This is 75. You check. Under 8 is this. So it's 8797. We have 8797. No difference. 8797. But if you look at the whole problem, it seems as if they are dividing each other. if you look at the problem very well, you will see that this is just a division. It's a division problem. And because it is a division problem, all you have to do is to subtract. Look at them here. We are dividing them. And because we are dividing, you have to subtract because division goes with subtraction. So bringing the entire problem, which is 39.51 times 725 all over 0.758, you have to divide it, you have to subtract. It means the first value, which is 4.4570, minus second value, which is bar 1.8797. We are subtracting because it is division. Now 0 minus 7 cannot go. You borrow 1. When you borrow 1, this is now 6, this is 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 6 cannot minus 9. You borrow. Here is now 4. This is now 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 4 cannot minus 7. You borrow. Here is now 3. This is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 3 cannot minus 8. You borrow. Here is now 3. This is 13. 13 minus 8 will give us 5. You put your point. So this is like saying 3 minus bar 1. 3 minus bar 1 is the same thing as saying 3 minus 1, which is 3 plus 1. That will give you 4. So this should be 4 because minus times minus is plus. So we've got this value, but that's not the end of the road. We have to continue. Since there is a cube root here, you can see the cube root here. When you have cube root, it means you are dividing by 3. If it is fourth root, you are dividing by 4. If it is fifth root, you are dividing by 5, and so on and so forth. That's its implication. So let us bring the problem here and paste it here so that we won't waste time. This is the problem we're having, but it has a cube root. So we have to put the cube root there. This is over. You have over cube root of this number. This is what we have. So cube root means you are dividing the answer by 3. So we are having 4.5773 divided by 3. We are dividing by 3 in the sense that this is a cube root. If it is a fourth root, we are dividing by 4, and so on and so forth. So we have 4.5773 divided by 3. When you divide by 3 to 4 decimal places, you have 1.5258. Then at this level, you have to calculate the anti-logarithm. So you check the anti-logarithm of 0.52 under 5. Neglect the whole number. 0.52 under 5. So let's go to anti-logarithm table. 0.52 under 5. So this is 0.52 here. Under 5, this is 5. So under 5 we have 3350. 3350. 3350. Difference of 8. So you check for difference of 8. This is the difference here. So this is still the line where we are. Difference of 8. This is 8 here. So trace it there. Difference of 8 is 6. So you have to carry 6 and add to this number. When you add 6 to it, you have 3356. But remember that we have a characteristics of 1. When you have 1 as your characteristics, you move 2 places. If you have 2, you move 3 places. If you have 3, you move 4 places, and so on and so forth. So because we have 1, we move 2 places starting from the left to right. So 1, 2, and put our point. Therefore, the answer to this problem is 33.56 approximately. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by Your Lesson app. Catch me on their TikTok page at Your Lesson app. Go to Play Store, download and subscribe to their app so that you can enjoy my math videos. Thank you for viewing, and may God bless you.